Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this scenario, I want to teach you how to update the iOS of a Cisco router. Here we have a server with the TFTP service enabled, and we will retrieve the required update file from it. First, we create a user account on the server to allow the router to access the update file. Then we configure the router with the credentials of the user we created in order to gain access. Enable conf network IP FTP password horizons. Next, we back up the current running configuration to the router's flash memory. This is our backup. After that, we copy the update file from the FTP server to the flash memory. Before doing this, make sure there is enough free space in the device memory. Copy from TFTP server, source, file name, new version of iOS. For now, copy is finished. In the final space, we configure the router to boot with the new iOS. Done. For now, I check for the new iOS update is finished and show to you. Enable show running config. This is new iOS. Thanks for watching this video.